What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be doing some cinematic shots of the woods and the creek. If you are new, make sure to hit the subscribe button and make sure to hit the post notification so you get notified every time that I post a video. So without further ado, I'm just going to go straight into the cinematics, and I hope you guys do enjoy. Hello guys, I hope you guys did enjoy those cinematics, and if you did, go ahead and hit the like button down below. I like these type of videos where I just do cinematics. A lot of people, well, I know, they're probably one of the best things I have on my channel, so I'll be doing more of those more often. Just stay tuned for extra cinematics in future videos. So I hope you guys did enjoy. I will see you next time. Peace.